Hello, Sir Jordan. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin natin sir yung unit na order nyo. The Novridge SSP 5 5.1 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay? So, tama naman, no? 5.1. Okay? Kasi may 4.3 eh. Baka nagkamali yung nabigay sa akin. Okay? Kasi natitira na lang, may 4.3 tsaka 5.1. O, tama naman. 5.1 naman to. Okay? Okay. So, okay, so lagyan natin ng gas. Lagyan natin ng bala. Seven yata eh. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay? Okay. Buksan ang chronograph. Yan. Gumagana pa naman kahit malabo. Nakikita pa naman. Okay? So, hindi naman yata masyadong malakas to. So, okay. Hindi man daw kailangan mag-takip. Ewan ko, di ko alam. Sige. So, ito sir, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay. So, yan. Okay. Pasok naman. Okay. So, firing. Medyo malakas din pala konti. Konti. Okay, so 350.6. We have to protect our ears. Okay, pag tumanda na tayo, bing na tayo pag di natin inalagaan. 345. 344. 340. Ito, puto na to. Wala talaga masyadong blowback, hina talaga. Okay. Parang electric. Okay, so nag-open chamber, remove the magazine, wala ng bala. Okay, so last shot was at 336.1. Okay, tingnan natin. 336.1 FPS. Hammer down. Okay, so ito Sir Jordan, okay na itong unit mo. Pwede ko na siya i-pack at dalhin sa courier. Okay? So, ayun sir, wait lang. So, ito merong Allen wrench tsaka valve removal tool. Allen is for the hop up. Okay? So, ayun. Alright! So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. The next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir, bye-bye.